headlines. CBI files charge sheets in Zamir Khan's death against 7 cops. CM MANDIRA chairs meeting of scheduled caste subcommittee. And Imphal city to be developed into a smart city. Work will start soon, says Hari Kumar. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. The Central Bureau of Investigation submitted charge sheets against 7 police personnel, including 1 Gallantry Award winner named Sub-Inspector P. Tarun Kumar, before the Chief Judicial Magistrate, Imphal East, in connection with the death of one Mohammed Zamir Khan on January 20, 2012, in an alleged fake encounter that took place at Kiamgai Shantipur under Irilbung Police Station of Imphal East. The police personnel are Sub-Inspector Potshangbam Tarun Kumar, a recipient of Police Medal for Gallantry given by India's President, his brother Sub-Inspector P. Maniratan, Constable Yangkhom Keshorjit, Constable Ilangbam Abung, Constable Chabungmang Sanachauba, Constable Khulak Joseph Maring, and investigating officer of the case, MD Isaluddin. Zamir's father had lodged a missing complaint in the city police station. Later that night, the family learned through telephone that Zamir had been eliminated in an encounter. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today chaired a meeting of scheduled caste subcommittee at the Chief Minister's Secretariat. Forest Minister T. H. Shyamkumar, MLAs Radha Kishore, H. Dingo, and concerned officials of various departments attended the meet. The subcommittee was formed under the Department of Other Backward Classes and Scheduled Castes. Facilities entitled to Other Backward Classes and Scheduled Caste were deliberated during the meet. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister also held a review meeting on implementation of Pradhan Mantri Kushal Vikas Yojana, skill development scheme of the Government of India for recognition and standardization of skills at the CM's Secretariat. Chief Secretary, Principal Secretary Finance, and concerned officials of the Department and Labour and Employment attended the review meeting. The Press Information Bureau under the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, Government of India organized a one-day media workshop at the Conference Hall of Classic Hotel, Imphal. Director of PIB, Imphal Abhishek Dayal, Director of Mahud Hari Kumar, Chief Town Planner of Town Planning Department Y. Narmada Devi were the main guest during the first session of the workshop. Mahud Director Hari Kumar during the session spoke on smart city projects under Smart City Mission in Imphal. He further said that though Imphal city was selected to develop into a smart city 2 years back, there are no traces of any work done due to inconveniences. However, work will start at the earliest, he assured. He also said that under Smart City Mission, areas in and around Imphal will be improved by certain facilities like drinking water, regularization of electricity, besides implementing solid waste management project, better roads and better pedestrians, among others. There will be better IT connectivity to digitalize and implement One City, One app where an individual can lodge a complaint to government offices instantly by using the app, he added. Speaking on the sidelines of the program, Chief Town Planner Y. Narmada spoke on various benefits available under Pradhan Mantri Awaj Yojana, while Associate Town Planner M. Manas spoke on Atal Mission, Rejuvenation and Urban Transportation. Outer Manipur Lok Sabha MP Dr. Lor Hopefos opposed clinging on to the past and said one can lead to a successful life with hard work and dedication. MPs Dr. Loro S. Profos and Dr. R.K. Ranjan were felicitated at Chadong during a function organized by Mapitheliang Lake Tourism Association. Lorho said that we must work for the future with commitment rather than holding to the past. He also urged that we must plant more trees in the hill areas for the benefit of the environment.
State na kadonga desu ako yung proposal sa tagal ministry yaw bangamde. Maduli namakta Mantriji nahakna tawba habidi aigi proposal de nangi khutta hapigani nahakna masisi tawre haraga masi on priority basis ta state ki official concerned ministry da hadaraga masi on priority basis ta thagalona tawraga de soida ba thungakani habisi mahakna su haibani maduna aina hajaning badi madugi proposal mayam do noi de laktragdi akhoi mundagi thokpudi ngamoy madumba proposal leragadi yamunga ibani da sinabiu noigi manai ona delhi da thabuk sujage nom jage na akhoi chatpani noigi makhon tabidaba singdu da tahan na bai da makta akhoi chatpani noi khona phana akhoi munda da maina sinabiu akhoi dum chatjage.
Meanwhile, Inner Manipur Lok Sabha MP Dr. R.K. Ranjan stated that a society can develop only when people conserve their culture apart from agriculture, costumes, food, etc. Customs and tradition of a community pass to the next generation. He added that we must try to embrace changes in a positive way.
Newly settled area sida tawutaragadi hoy Manipur government ki dangi authority na piba compensation lowdaba aduga rehabilitation site lakanda magi infrastructural development dudi honorable DC ka kariga tawraga award apadudi tawrakanda koina lorhoi bani na kaidu wi age duma koi bani khadajake.
A public meeting was held today at Kumbi market over the brutal killing of K.H. Achaumaite of Setupur, Kumbi on August 6 last. During the meeting, the residents decided to ostracize all persons involved in the heinous crime from Kumbi area. Representatives of every locality in Kumbi area, Chairperson of Kumbi Municipal Council, W. Priyoranjan, councillors of Kumbi Municipal Council and others attended the public meeting.
Khangeba macho maitai asibu hatpada jenariba magi imung manungsing Manipur miyam khangna matunda amuk khana khawdoga si thoktana bagi dama miyam khangna makoi bukheng togadabani haiba warep kaya.
Let's take a short break, but coming up, a one-day media sensitization program on preconception and prenatal diagnostic technique held.
Kangla food product ti iram dong dia seng ma mahong yeng dio garlic mixer khatana tana kangla gi ano food item singi mahok kangla bada ngauroi do kana bolai bi
Kangla.
Hello Food Express na adom gi matam manghandana home delivery to bugi khudong chaba bijari ngasi mak housing mak adom na adong gi mobile da click ani khak nambi duna Hello Food Express ki apps asibu hapchin biu apps asigi matengna adom gi apamba chaningba chanaba makhalsing anakpa amadi arapada leiriba Manipur gi apamba hotel singdagi mahau leina chabiyo
Atenba matamgi manungda apamba sanaba makalsing Hello Food Express na vijariba home delivery ki khudongchab silobi.
Hello Food Express, your favorite food delivery.
Welcome back. A one-day media sensitization program on preconception and prenatal diagnostic technique was conducted at the conference hall of Family Welfare Department today. Director of Family Welfare K. Rajo said that the program was organized to give awareness about ultrasound clinics to the general public. He asserted that under PNDT Act, abortion and sex determination are illegal and all ultrasound clinics must get registered. There are 158 registered ultrasound clinics in the state. Rajo observed that improper immunization of women in the interior areas of the state and negligence of girl child are some of the main reasons contributing in the decline of sex ratio in Manipur. He said fetal sex determination before birth is a crime. Rajo called on the people for their support in implementation of PNDT Act to save girl child.
activities na koi torisna koi mapam satna koi awareness program tawjai media sensitization tawi ukil sing koi sensitization tawi meeting torga adi policemen sensitization tawi adi NGO sing sensitization program tawi sumai tawdana koi na yam kan honajari masi implement tawbasida koi gi praja mayam na mateng pambiu media gi through the sandopi dana lairiba doctor sing adi koi gi clinic sing stakeholders sing clinic sing amadi koi gi mapu sing clinic ki mapu sing na masi nupa na pi khangtok pa yade it is a crime ne have say save the girl baby and detection of the determination of the sex is a crime mena koi smai tong na thamje.
A mini exhibition Composition Mela was held today at Kiamba Ningsing Sanglane, Bishnupur as a part of the ongoing Pradhan Mantri 1-month-long comprehensive scheme for holistic nourishment under the banner Rashtriya Poshan Ma. The mini exhibition was concentrated on giving awareness to masses on low-cost nutrition diets. Today's event was attended by Deputy Commissioner of Bishnupur District, Neeta Arambam, Chairperson of Bishnupur Municipal Council, L. Maniai Masing, CMO of Bishnupur T. Manihar Singh, Bishnupur District Social Welfare Officer and Jyotish Singh, along with CDPO, Bishnupur TH Shanti Baladevi as main guest. Talking on the sidelines of the event, Neeta Arambam underlined the need of expectant mothers to have balanced diet.
अकोई बजट की मनुंगा लेरिबा इराय लाइना फंबा लो कॉस्ट न्यूट्रिशन ओइबा न्यूट्रिशनल डाइट की वैल्यू की वांबा सीसा बदका होय सबना हायदा उदिसदसु उपी रेको येंदिम हम उपी रेसेता येंदिम से आयरन की संख्या वांगी अदुना की वाट पतगी कंफर्म मसी नकना उदिसदसु मेलादा उपी रिबा हवाई जंगाई येरुम
A two-day annual group meet on Rabi Mullarp crops under All India Coordinated Research Project on Mullarp kicked off at the auditorium of Central Agricultural University, Imphal today. A number of delegates and experts from across the country attended the meet. Speaking to media persons on the sidelines of the meet, Deputy Director of Research, COW Imphal, Dr. Tri Robindro explained that the meet aims to find out ways to improve Rabi crops, particularly in Manipur and in India in general. Scientists and experts from other agricultural universities across the country will share their findings and experiences during the two-day meet.
Hawaii track adu loina Hawaii kasari musori singa se khoi gi Manipur su yam paksana hojik si gi hosilak poloina all India goina Everest da masi matau karamna masi potok handa hengalala kanda leiriba khoi gi all India coordinated research project AICRP mulap sigi makha sida khoi leiriba moi gi India goina khoi gi laiba scientist singa sina mai magi state pangthoiba mai magi state khoi gi tawriba research da khoi gi base oraga mai magi finding mayam du ngasi khoi state da ngasi dagi hawraga hayembok sathaga doriba siguma numin ini goiba khoi gi Indian group sida koi punna mai magi koi karama variety hena sanai Manipur dana karama sanai UP dana karama sanai Punjab dana karama sanai haiba singa se koi gi honorable BC sar gi mieng makhada koi gi mingoina Punjab da koi professor M Prem sing gi mieng makhada ngase koi maroina koi Central University na all India goina koi hari program se host tawjabani.
As part of Swachhta Hi Seva 2019, a cleanliness and tree plantation program was held at the adjoining area of Fayeng Kunau Cultural and Development Club. The program was jointly organized by Fayeng Kunau Cultural and Development Club and Fayeng Gram Panchayat. Members of the club, Pradhan and Fayeng and Gram Panchayat members participated in the program.
Program asi koi usi sungsoi soi dana hinghanse habagi pandam da paikajabani aduna uchar asi mamangda kayamarom tharga su hingnana ba thabangam daba hingbangam daba adubu handakti sungsoi soi dana hinghandaba yade haba pandam ga loinana aikoina ngasi paikhalibasi fencing ningthina semjin ba aduga asi basing mention ba aduga award pasing mention ba asigi target ta aikoina ngasi program asi pangthok jabani.
Militant outfit National Revolutionary Front Manipur has banned Sana service from catering to the MBBS students of Regional Institute of Medical Sciences, Imphal. Information and Publicity Secretary of the front, Sanaja Bamaite, in a statement today warned of dire consequences if Sana service acts against the ban. It said NRFM has come across many loopholes at Janims and RIMS with regard to food adulteration and selling of expired food products which are causing harm to people's health. It is also said that the Sana Security Service has been looting people by charging ₹20 as parking fee rather than normal rate of ₹10 at Janims. One Priyobrata from Uripok Sorbonne Thingen is the proprietor of Sana Security Service, Sana Food and Trig Guard Force. The NRFM statement also informed that the outfit has also banned Sana Security Service with immediate effect. Volunteers of Nambol Apunba Mera Paibilup and Development and Protection United Voluntary Organization today burned and destroyed around 1,000 litres of liquor at Nambol Kaithel. They seized the liquor during anti-alcohol drive carried out in Nambol area. Secretary of Mera Paibilup L. Pramila Lema sought support from the people in the anti-substance drive.
Apunba Mera Paibi Amadi Dupo Onaisan Pulapna Sillaga Tang Tara Manga Pawada Aikoi publicity Salaga Nisagi Maramasida Pulap Timinasi Haiduna Haibadi drug Sida Loina Maxinga Tablet Amadi number 4 Ju Ganja Punama Se Pulap Maya Carbon Nisa Se Akoi Timinasi Haiduna Tang Tranga Pawada Matampira Matungdagi Tang Tara Taruki Tagi akoi drive asi satharak pani maramaduna nauriba angang singa sibu akoi tungi yumrian oiga doriba se marit sumba yamna phajaba lambi da asengba aikoi gi panthungba mado yauhansi haibagi da makta akoi
Time for another short break, but coming up next, neglected schools in Churachandpur district fail to cater to the educational needs of students.
Nupani kaina kumai arau za atek pubide leishari ngai dana aduda puniga dada puniga
ngasi de kenong
yare nung phadoksu koi pubi bedo akhoi di phangjadrabani
ngai khone ai wasisu yam nungai pawni ne ahum lak suba langbal kaithel pangthok ka dori
achidi kaida
hapta kan jimuda
asengwira
mane
DS Enterprises kaisam thongna khodol tamliba ahum lak suboina pangthok ka doriba langbal kaithel Meet the Star Fashion Show, Dance Competition, Tapta Night, Musical Night, amadi angang singgidamakta oina Disneyland item na singba kaya na miyam da kumay oihangadoriba ahum suba langbal kaithel.
Adidi yam nungai ni.
Adi miyam do nangonda ne yengba chalusena ne haige toriba.
Welcome back. Most of the government schools in Churachandpur district under the Zonal Educational Officer and Autonomous District Council ADC have remained neglected, and hence these schools have failed to cater to the educational needs of the students. Here is a report on this.
Though there are teachers, they do not turn up to their respective schools. But there are also teachers who want to work with zeal and give education to the students. However, due to inadequate number of staff at Vumhau Government High School situated at Tuilafei village, there is no proper and effective way of teaching in classrooms. The school has as many as 370 students. According to the School Management Authority, they have only 4 teachers appointed by the JDO and 2 from Rashtriya Madhyamim Shiksha Abhiyan. Jangmilal Committee, the school management group, appealed to the concerned authority to appoint more teachers so that the class can be run properly and effectively.
Our school and for the progress of our school in the near future, and this in our this is one of the most functioning. I mean the well functioning school, and even though we get there is a limited teacher, it was quite difficult. So in the near future, it will be good, and we pray that if the government can arrange us a new teacher, give us more teacher, so that we can take care of our school for the proper functioning.
Vice President of Kuki Students Organization KSO, Hanglip Branch, stated that Vumhau Government High School has a good number of students, and it is the only school which functions well under Hanglip subdivision.
Right behind me is students of Bunghao High School writing their examination. This is the only school which is dependable for 20 square kilometers. And the problem here we face is the student-staff ratio is very low. We are having 2 staff from Ramsa and we are having 4 staff from education. And only those 6 staffs are managing this high school, and it is very difficult. And I appeal to higher authority, if you can work out something for the betterment of this issue, it will be a happiness for the surrounding region as well as for the management and the student.
There is a lower primary school at Firan village, run and managed under the Autonomous District Council, ADC, Churachandpur.
21 students. Regarding this school, we are only for class 3 standards, and I am one of the teachers, and along with one of my colleagues, sister.
A building constructed nearby to replace the dilapidated structure of the school is yet to be completed, though the construction work started back in 2017. There are 4 teachers in this school.
A one-day mass awareness cum beneficiary enrollment program on Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Jal Arogya Yojana and Chief Minister Gi Haksil Gi Tengban was held at Khungaipat Community Hall, Tanalkhong, Imphal East today. The program, organized by Manipur State Legal Services Authority in collaboration with the State Health Agency, Directorate of Health Services Manipur and Legal Aid Clinic, Thambalkhong, was held for the intended beneficiaries of Thambolkhong residents. The program was held as part of its pilot project for effective utilization of para-legal volunteers of Manipur under MSLSA. Talking to TOMTV, Secretary of MSLSA Golmai Gaipui Chunglu pointed that the awareness cum enrollment program was held to spread awareness to issue health cards to the priority households, vulnerable and marginalized beneficiaries belonging to very poor families. She further said that MSLSA is in the pipeline to conduct such awareness programs in the far-flung areas of hill districts in the near future.
Sigise mafam kuding da chalaga matang tawdoribani aduna praja mayamna ngasi tawriba mayam se yengaga moina matang aikoina spot thiraga identify tawraga tawgodoba mayam sidasu press ki kangbu khangde aduga aikoi government ki side ta stakeholders mayam nasu mateng pangbigani haina thajaba amaga loinana ai mayam da appeal tawjari.
Let's Do It Manipur urged the people of Manipur to participate in the upcoming event to be performed by DJ Soda, the world's most young talented DJ, on September 15 in Imphal. During a press meet held at Manipur Press Club Imphal, the group expressed dismay over rumors in social media that DJ Soda's attire is inappropriate for Manipuri society. But Let's Do It Manipur said that the event will be held under certain strictures and that preparations are underway for organizing the event in other districts of the state.
One of the world's best celebrity is also coming to Manipur and sending out a message to those countries that have travel ban advisory about Manipur. You see, this is a joint collaborative of friends, who are in Delhi University, JNU, Jamia, Bangalore, Guwahati, Mumbai. Everyone was just coming together and just trying to promote this EDM, electronic dance music, like never before, without any sponsorship from private or like any other. So it's just a contribution of a friends who are just coming together to promote Manipur. I'm from Ukhrul, he's from Senapati, he's from Churachandpur. So like a lot of other people just like doing this initiative.
So we put a great effort to make sure that she come to Manipur, and for the first time her visit to India is going to be Manipur, in the land of Manipur, where it's going to be history of DJ Soda as well as the people of India, that DJ Soda has landed in Manipur for the first time. Not only that, with this we want to promote the Green Manipur mission, where we want to make it the pollution free, for which we are also going to participate in the World Cleanup Day on 21st September. I appeal all the youths, people from Manipur, from old to young, young to old, to be a part of the World Cleanup Day. We want to make it plastic free pollution, and this Let's Do It India is a branch of Let's Do It World where we have in 157 countries. This event is not for any profit making or any other thing or merry making or partying or drinking and alcohol. Will be strictly prohibited in the surrounding area.
Manipur Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu laid the foundation stone of a 7-story residential apartment at Chingmerong, Sangakpham, Imphal East District yesterday. The project undertaken by Kanglei Park Infrastructure and Housing Enterprise is the first of its kind in the state. Manipur Chief Secretary Dr. J. Suresh Babu, Commissioner M. Joy Singh of Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development and its Director T.H. Hari Kumar Singh attended the foundation stone laying event. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Secretary Dr. Suresh Babu congratulated the Kailash company for making its foray into Manipur. Stating that land is very limited resource in the valley, he said that it is time to save our land along with providing proper facilities for a high living standard to everybody. He further said the government is positive about the real estate venture and said it has formed a single window clearance system in the planning department. Manipur being a seismic zone and earthquake prone state, clearances are given to only 2, 3, 4 floors, he added. However, building bylaws were amended to make it possible to construct any height with proper precautions. Commuters on the bumpy Imphal-More highway are reportedly facing inconveniences due to the recent rainfall. Last afternoon, around 400 vehicles remained stranded for hours on the landslide-prone highway after a goods-laden truck coming from More side broke down in middle of the road. The incident caused hardships to the commuters. However, a JCB was later hired from nearby location and made a temporary path for the vehicles. Eventually, the traffic movement resumed later at around 5 p.m. according to reports. The cookies all over the world will observe the Cookie Black Day on Sanhit Niko tomorrow in protest against the killing of thousands of innocent cookies by suspected NSC and IM militants years back in an alleged genocide campaign upon the cookie community. Over 360 villages were destroyed, rendering around 1 lakh cookies. According to a press release from Hill Tribal Council More, it also mentioned that the Cookie INPI Manipur and its federate organizations will continue to observe Black Day every year until and unless the government of India compensates the loss and trauma inflicted on the Cookie community. The press release also said that a memorandum will be submitted to Prime Minister Narendra Modi through the Deputy Commissioner of Tengnopal district. M.K. Tofiku, a class 4 student of Manipur Creative School, won a gold medal in the Waikru event of sub-junior category in the 20th MTIR Senior Mature Muay Thai Championship 2019, which was held in Delhi from September 8 till 12. The championship was held under the aegis of Rajdhani Association of Muay Thai. It is worth mentioning that Manipur Waikru team has also got the overall team champion title in the championship. Adding another feather to her cap, MC Mary Kom, ace boxer from Manipur, has been recommended for the prestigious Padma Bhushan Award by the Sports Ministry. Notably, Mary Kom is the first woman athlete whose name has been put forward by the ministry for the country's second highest civilian honor after the Bharat Ratna. It is worth mentioning that Mary Kom has already been honored with the Padma Bhushan in 2013 and Padma Shri in 2016 for her accomplishments in the world of boxing. On the other hand, PV Sindhu, who became the first Indian to win the World Championship in August this year, has been recommended for the Padma Bhushan, the third largest civilian award in the country. The other 7 women in this year's list who have been recommended for the Padma Shri include champion wrestler Vinesh Phogat, table tennis star Manika Batra, cricket champion Hamanpreet Kaur, T20s hockey captain Rani Rampal, former shooters Suma Shirur and mountaineer twin sisters Tashi and Nungshi Malik. Now the top stories once again. CBI files charge sheets in Zamir Khan's death against 7 cops. CM and Biren chairs meeting of scheduled caste subcommittee. And Imphal city to be developed into a smart city. Work will start soon, says Hari Kumar. Well, this is not all we have for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.
Thank you.